Good morning, this is the ExactTrades.com Movers Report for September 16th, 2011. First we're taking a look here at NDN. You can see here we gapped up about 2160 area. We're already starting to pull back. Last is at 2073. We're going to look to take this short off the open. Watch for a breakdown of the open to a new low of the day. Start with half position. See if you get a bounce. Look for a lower high or to hold the high of the day. Add your second half. And then look for a break of that low of the day to a new low. First profit target is going to be about 20 cents from your entry. Second profit target is going to be 40 cents. Watch it at 20. Could have some support there at 20. Here at 19.50. And then close the gap down at 19. Next up we have AGP gapping down this morning just under 40. You can see right here. Now watch this on the open. If it opens above 40, wait for it to turn back over and break 40. Take this short below that 40 area. Probably around 39.93 would be fine. First profit target is going to be 39.53, so right about there. Second profit target is going to be 39.13, and then see if it can break through 39. I would trail a stop down into 38. Next we have PCX gapping down this morning, looking for it to open below the support level. I would take this short below 13.17, so right about there. First profit target is going to be 13.04. Second profit target is going to be 12.91, and then I would trail a stop down into 12.80, possibly 12.60 right there. Next trade we have is MCP gapping up this morning. Last is right here about 53.20. We're actually going to wait for a break over 54. See the resistance levels here. Some consolidation here just under 54. So we want to take this long over 54.06. So right there. First profit target is going to be 54.60. Second profit target is going to be 55.15. Watch it at 55. If it starts to fail 55, then you can take some profit early. You can see the resistance level here at 55. And then trail a stop up. Could have some resistance here at 55.70 area and then 56. Next we have BCS gapping up this morning. Right now it's at 10.57. Right about there. We're going to look to take this long on a new high of the day, so wait for the open. You could get a pullback off the open. Just set an alert at the high of the day and then see if it can push back through and break. Also keep your eye on the market. If we have a strong day in the market, this could trend up. You can see how trendy this has been the last 3 days. Really been moving up along this trend line. So we're going to look for continuation move. First profit target is going to be about 10 cents from your entry. Second profit target is going to be about 20 cents. And then I'd trail a stop up into 11 possibly here. Now if this gaps up more and moves up to this 10.75 to 11 area, I'll probably pass on a long trade from there. I think there'll be a little bit more profit taking and more of a sell-off, but I think if we open down here below 1070, this 1065 to 1050 area, I think it'll be a nice long up into the resistance levels. Now we have AMTD gapping up. Last is at 1540 right there. Resistance is at just under 15 and support at 15. We're going to look to take this long today. I'm thinking that this could pull back off the open a little bit. Just wait for it to break through to a new high of the day and take it long. First profit target is going to be about 15 cents from your entry. Second profit target is going to be 30. Watch it at 16. Going to have some resistance right there. And then just trail a stop on your last piece. And our last trade on the movers report is going to be RIM. Big gap down this morning. Right now we're at 22.70. We're going to look to take this long. Now this may not move up off the open. It may take a little bit. You might see some selling at first. Set your alert at the open. See if it'll move back up and break through. Or if it does move up off the open, go ahead and take it long after maybe a minute or two, moving up off the open to new highs. Start with half. See if you get a pullback. Look for a higher low or to hold that low of the day. And then take your second half and then look for a push through to a new high. Probably going to see some resistance here at 24 and then 25. Watch it at 26. There's a lot of money in this trade, so be more patient. Once you get your first profit and move up your stop, try to let it really move up into those areas, especially if we have a strong day in the market. See if this can help RIM go to higher highs. I think there's going to be some profit taking on the short side, and there might also be some value buyers and investors that are coming in here down at 22. So we're just going to watch this. I do think this might sell off a little bit more, either off the open or later in the day. So just make sure that you move up your stops and you take your profit. And then depending on what kind of day we have, this could trend up into that 25 and 26 area. So those are the trades for today. Everyone have a great weekend, and we'll see you back here on Monday.